Hello everyone. So in this session we're discussing financial functions. In the last lecture we discussed the PMT function and today we'll discuss the FV function. So what is FV function? FV function is basically used to calculate future amount on your investment. So suppose you have investment some amount and for some particular interest rate and for some fixed time period. So in that case, if you want to know that what will be your final amount after that certain time period, so here is the formula, the function which you can use. So the formula is FV. In the bracket again you have 5 different parameters which you can read over here. It's very easy, very similar to PMT function. So let's directly go to the example. So here we have one example, like if we invest 50 lakhs in property and we want to know that how much money you will get after 5 years on 3.2 for 3.2 interest rate. So property means any kind of property bond or anything suppose, or any XYZ, right? Any in XYZ, and you want to calculate that what will be your future value. So here we have amount 50 lakhs and your interest rate is 3.2% and you have invested this amount for 5 years. So at the end of the 5 years with the 3.2 interest rate you will get 52,864 rupees, right? And suppose there is a facility, or if there is a feature of compound interest, monthly compound interest, in that case you will get this amount, right? So it's very easy. So you can use with you can try this formula with different values and you can use it, right? So this is about the FV function.